Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down, then click on Lock Screen. Following that, select Screen Lock Type and enter your current login method. Then click on this gray switcher next to Face and tap on Continue. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Then adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to and tap on Done. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!